Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping-Algo. So today I want to introduce you guys how to use for the first how to we call it Smart Scalping Signals. Okay. The first one I want to you guys open on the basic chart. The name on the stock is SPY. Okay, so we need to set up a very basic one, and in the section I want you guys choose extended trading hours, not regular trading hours. Okay. So the first one you need to click indicator, choosing the right indicator you want to show on the chart. The first one I want to introduce you guys is Smart Scalping Signals. Okay. The first thing on the signal you guys can easily to choose to see the field indicator on the chart right now, but I want to focus you guys the step by step how to use up indicator in this one. Okay, the first one I want to show you guys is the main thing very important on this indicator is the buy and sell signal. Okay, focus. I open the 3 time frame. Okay, the first one you can see on the morning when the market opened, you can see buy signal and take profit signal. So for option, if you guys play option, okay, for this candle, if you get in here around here for take profit here, you guys almost make at least 50% profit. Okay, for the sell signal, and you have to take profit sell here. Okay, so how about win rate on buy and sell signal in this indicator? You can choose on the show dashboard, and you can see here the 81.3%. Very simple, right? 81.3%. That means if we trade totally 256 trade, you win 208 and lose 48. So you guys have to focus on risk management for make profit with that very high win rate on buy and sell signal here. Okay, and you can look back on the history. You can see the still very good signal on this indicator, right? Buy signal here, take profit here. Buy sell signal, buy signal here, sell signal and take profit here, buy signal and take profit here. And in this indicator, one more thing I want you guys and to know that is I usually that this one is VWAP. Okay, VWAP is very important for expecting to see resistance or support level here, right? I always very basic for trading, and you guys in trader, you guys need to understand this one. Okay, and one more thing I want you guys use that one for trading day by day. This one is so pre-market high low and so previous day high low. Okay, so I always use this one for kind of resistance and support level. Okay, you can see here if I trade with on this function, right? You see buy signal here, I take profit here, and this one is resistance level, right? So we have a sell here, we have resistance level here, we have take profit here, take profit sell here, and we have VWAP here. So usually I always trade I line for scenario here, resistance area here, we have same here, we have a sell signal here, and we have a retest, very important retest here. So always I use wait for a sell signal available, I wait to retest here, and I will get in position here. That's why I always like to use my indicator for day trading. Yes. And one more thing you can guys know about that dashboard, or the dashboard that show you in the different time frames, if 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, and the trend show you guys all is bear. Okay, and right here you can one more thing that they show you like 81.3% on buy and sell signal, very high win rate. So how to get that very high win rate? You have to click in the setting of indicator, and you can see very basic I set up for trading stock and trading future. Okay, so look at that, very important here. Hold on a second. Here set up the look back period 200, band multiplier 5.5, tolerance multiplier 6, and take profit multiplier 0.5. Okay, thank you very much.